all measurements from the reference corner. These posts are not square, and I'm not squaring them. The flat face with the square corner is going to be the outside of the leg, and all measurements come from that face and that corner. 5 inches, 5.5 inches down for the 2x6, 3 inches for the 2x10 and the 2x6 together. Front apron, 2x10 with a 2x6 glued and screwed to the back. Outside edge of the leg, inset 12 inches. The leg is a 6x6, which will be there, and then we'll have a center section. There's my bandsaw cut. This thing will focus. If we have to pare that and clean it up, we will, but it's pretty close. Maybe a little wild at the start, but got the second one exactly the same. There's our second cut. These will get smoothed up a little bit. From the shoulder, 29 3/4 down. These timbers aren't square. So we're going to start from our squared corner, come all the way across, and we're going to come back over here. We're going to drop down, and we're going to drop down. Well, that's the basic idea. Real hot, fast, quick and dirty in a hurry here. So the back side of that 2x6 is quite badly cupped. So I'm going to lay it in place. I'm only going to flatten the joining surface. The rest of it I'm just going to leave wild and not lose a bit of sleep over it at all. The joining surface I've got transferred onto the 2x6. So we'll back these screws out, grab the jack plane. You can see the, let me grab the square out of my, there. That's what we're going to take out, but only where the boards join. I'm not flattening this entire thing. This side's not quite as bad, but it's still there. We'll take that hump out of there, make it nice and smooth so they join up nicely, and we'll glue this and bolt it or GRK. Flatter. Much better. A couple quick passes with this jack plane. Just clean up the gluing surfaces. A little bit of cup in there. That one's pretty flat. I'll try a little dry fit. 4 GRKs through the front face. Just cut some half laps for the bottom. This might be the biggest Nicholson bench I've ever seen. 7 feet long, 4 feet across. Think of it like 2 workbenches butted up against each other, so 2 people can work at the same time. There's the old one. I got her sitting on a wobbly sawhorse just for something at the minute. A little snug in here with all this shit, but that's what we got done today. You're probably wondering why I didn't just cut those notches yesterday before it was all glued together. That's a fair point. Pretty good idea. But I'm just winging this. There's no drawing, there's no hard and fast plan. I'm just building the bench as quick as I can, as I get a minute to do a few things. Don't let all your planning get in the way of progress, getting things done. All cleaned up nice. We'll get that piece of 2x6 glued up, put it in there, get that clamped up. We'll go do the other side here next.